Hello guys! Welcome back. It's another video and lakad-lakad lang muna tayo. Maaga akong nagising today guys because I have an appointment. Meron akong interview. Yes po, interview while here in Malaysia under tourist visa. So yan po yung company, Icons International School. And just to let you know guys or to share with you, wala pong masama magpunta sa isang interview while on a tourist visa. Hindi naman po mali as long as you're not going to work or you will not work for any companies in a country or an international country while you are on a tourist visa. Very illegal po na mag-work while on a tourist visa. So, huwag niyong pahirapan yung self niyo or huwag niyong ilagay sa sa mahirap na sitwasyon yung self niyo in the future. Ayun. So, nahirapan ako maghanap ng pindutan ng elevator. Yun pala sa gilid. So, dito na tayo. Sakay na tayo ng elevator and punta na tayo sa taas. So, ito lang po yung outfit natin for today, guys. Naka-floral coat lang tayo and then naka-blouse inside. Simplihan lang muna kasi wala naman tayong dalang mga damit na marami and hindi naman expected to. So, andito na ako inside the Icons International School. Waiting lang na tawagin. Nag-log na din ako. And yun nga, guys. So, it's really possible na ma-interview sa isang international country kung meron kang invite. So, it's not a problem as long as hindi ka lang talaga mag-work while on a tourist visa. You have to secure your proper permit para makapag-work sa isang country to avoid any issues. And gusto ko lang itong i-share sa inyo because it's really possible naman talaga. And maybe it's time for you to do things out of your comfort zone to experience God's wonderful blessings. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye.